So welcome to Jumbo IS and welcome to our lecture series called Daily MCQ Practice. In this lecture series, we cover a particular day's current affairs through a set of 4 to 5 MCQs. The idea behind this lecture series is that you get to revise your current affairs on a daily basis, and what better way to revise your current affairs than by getting the much needed MCQ practice. So make sure you follow this lecture series, make it a part of your daily routine because it will really help you out in the long run. Alright then, let's begin today's session with question number 1. Consider the following statements regarding estimation of national income in India. First advance estimates of a financial year generally contains data from first 3 quarters. Provisional estimates are released after incorporating data from all 4 quarters of a financial year. The final estimates for national income of a financial year are released after 1 year. Okay. So look, the thing is that, let's suppose that we have to estimate India's GDP or national income for the financial year 2024-25. Okay. Now, in the January month of 2025, we will release first advance estimates, which would contain data from quarter 1 and quarter 2 of this financial year. Then in the month of February, we'll release second advance estimates because by that time data from quarter 3 would have also come. So you'll get to give better estimates. Okay. So first advance estimates of the financial year generally contains data from first 3 quarters, no only first 2 quarters. Okay. Now after the financial year ends on March 31st, 2025. Then in the month of June or May 2025, you release provisional estimates because by that time data from quarter 4 is also released. So this is correct. Then this provisional estimates is revised and you release first revised estimates in the month of or in the year of 2026, and the final estimates are released in 2027, that is 2 years after the financial year. So final estimates for national income of a financial year are released after 1 year, no 2 years. So this is also false, only one is correct, the answer is A. We have explained this in detail in our current affairs lecture, so do check that out also. Okay, the answer to this question is A. Question number 2. Which of the following are correct regarding measurement of literacy in India? Literacy is defined as the ability to read and write with understanding in any language. Effective literacy rate is the percentage of literate people among the population aged 7 or above. Adult literacy rate is percentage of literate people among the population aged 24 or above. Okay. So, literacy is defined like this only. Okay, if anyone is able to read or write with understanding in any language, not English, not anything, in any language, he is classified, he or she is categorized as literate. So first statement is correct. Now, what is effective literacy rate? Percentage of literate people in the group of population that is 7 or above. This is effective literacy rate. Then there is adult literacy rate. Percentage of people in the group of population aged 15 or above, not 24 or above, 15 or above. That is adult literacy rate. Okay. Then there is youth literacy rate. That is the percentage of literate people in the age group of 15 to 24. That is youth literacy rate. Okay. So the answer to this question is 1 and 2, A only. Question 3. Consider the following statements regarding Ullas Nav Bharat Saksharta Karyakram. It is a central sector scheme that aims to improve adult literacy in India. The scheme aligns with recommendations of National Education Policy. The implementation period for this scheme is 22 to 27. Okay. So, Ullas Nav Bharat Saksharta Karyakram is basically a scheme, central scheme of government to improve adult literacy rate. And how would you improve adult literacy rate? Well, there are many people aged 30 or above, 40 or above who are out of schools. How would you ensure literacy among them? So to ensure literacy among them, you have launched this scheme. Okay. Now remember, this scheme is centrally sponsored scheme. There are two types of central schemes: central sector, which is 100% financed by central government; centrally sponsored, which is financed jointly by central and state governments. So it is a centrally sponsored scheme. Yes, it aligns with national education policy, and yes, the implementation is between 22 to 27. Okay, 2 and 3. The answer is B. Question number 4. Which of the following statements is correct regarding shipbuilding sector in India? Marine engines typically account for 15 to 20% of the ship's cost and are central to its performance, emissions, and life cycle. Presently, over 90% of the engines rated above 6 megawatt installed on Indian commercial and naval vessels are sourced from a group of only 5 foreign manufacturers. Okay. Now, the thing is that both these statements are correct. Yes, marine engines, which are used in naval ships, commercial ships, account for 15 to 20% of the cost of that ship. Plus, India does not have the capacity to produce these high-tech marine engines. Okay, 90% of the marine engines on Indian vessels come from these 5 foreign manufacturers. Okay, both these statements are correct. And with that, we conclude today's session. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. And I'm sure it has added value to your preparation. But it would add more value if you revise this lecture as well, because revision would really help you out in remembering these MCQs in your memory. Okay. And by revision, I mean just taking 5 to 10 minutes, taking a look at written detailed solutions to these MCQs. Now, these solutions are in our notes, and these notes are available on our Telegram channel. And where can you find our Telegram channel? Just below in the comment section, you'll find a link. Just click on that link and it will take you to our Telegram channel. On that note, we'll be signing off. Thank you so much, everyone.